Between molecules and machines lies mastery. Master the science of formulation, production and compliance with the Master of Pharmacy in Industrial Pharmacy at Chandigarh University. Gain hands-on expertise with a curriculum designed to meet global pharmaceutical industry standards. Train in state-of-the-art labs equipped with next-generation instrumentation and technologies. Push boundaries of precision and explore each stage of product development through hands-on experience and real-time application. Master drug stability, packaging science, and pharmaceutical compliance using real-world systems and resources. Stay ahead in a competitive market with our strategic industry collaborations, internships, and expert-led masterclasses. Connect to the world through 150+ international tie-ups opening pathways to research, exchange, and innovation. From formulation to production, become the force behind every innovation that heals. Enroll today at Chandigarh University, a world of opportunities.